Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Today I am doing this super snatched contour look. It does look super good on camera. It is good for Instagram looks. So if you want to know how I did it, let's get started. So I'm going to start out with the NARS Radiance Primer. I am just obsessed with this primer. If anyone can offer me one that's better, I would be so happy to try it. But I don't know, I've tried so many different primers this week, and this one is just my favorite one. So I'm starting with that one. I'm also going to use the NARS foundation, so it just works really well together. If you want to see how I did my brows, I filmed a separate tutorial for my brows, so I will link below. Go check it out. So like I said, we'll be using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. So I'm just going to pump it right onto my face. So I am using the color Mont Blanc. Now, I actually had purchased the color Oslo because I had someone else color match me, and we felt like the Oslo seemed like it blended out closer to my skin tone than the Mont Blanc, but when we did the swatches, we didn't actually blend it out. We just swatched. And this one is a little bit darker than my skin tone is in the winter time, but actually not really compared to the rest of my body. So my recommendation, if you're ever in that scenario where you're like, I don't know, I'm in between these two colors, one's a little bit dark and one's a little bit light, I would rather be a little bit dark than light, especially because half the year I'm gonna match it anyway. I mean, you can always darken foundations, obviously, with bronzer and stuff too, but I just like the color of this one so much better than the Oslo. Oslo was really so glowingly white and had such a pink undertone, and I'm normally more of an olivey. The rest of my body is anyway, so I like to match the rest of my body personally. And I always just blend down the neck and stuff so that everything matches, you know? You feel me? You know, matchy. Okay. Next, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Shadow Stick Foundation in Contour. So I'm gonna do a serious amount of makeup today. A real beat. You feel me? I actually only have a half hour to film the rest of this video, so I better hurry up. But I feel like my contour ends up so much better and lasts longer if I use a cream contour. So here we are with the cream contour. And then I'm also going to do a cream blush. So I'm going to use the ColourPop Tasty. It's the Super Shock Cheek in Tasty. So I'm going to put it on the brush like so. And then on my cheeks like so. The apples of my cheeks. And then I'm going to blend it all out. So I like to use the Anastasia A30 brush because it's so condensed. It really just blends well. And I like to just pat it like I am instead of actually blending it out. I like the way it looks. Next, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and I'm going to go all the way up my nose to create a contour. Even more of a contour. Might have to re-brighten my inner eye. I want a little bit far. Ew, she's gone too far. Make sure that's super good and blended out below the eye, and then we're gonna put a powder on top of that. We're layering it on today. So I'm using the Benefit Hello Happy Velvet Powder Foundation. Oh, it's a little yellow. I would prefer something brighter. I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Pound Cake Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. I have to read that. Okay. And then it's gonna brighten it back up a little bit and set it super in place.
You got the upper hand. I've been down on my luck. Yeah, I've had better days, but of high steep falls. There's a reason why people love it underdog.
I'm gonna use my, well, Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've been obsessed with it lately. It's not really that old, but I just got it messy and I like it, so I'm gonna use it again.
Watch me fly, saying there goes a king, had the sword to his neck. Just the story of a comeback king.
Okay, so this is the complexion brush from Alamar Cosmetics and BoxyCharm. It gives you a really natural, like, flush look. So I'm also going to add this blush from MAC. It is the Into Eternity. And I'm gonna do it with that same brush. Okay, and I'm going to go a bit darker with my contour. I'm using the Pure Sculptor palette, and I'm using the shade Inventor, which I've been stuck on, you guys know. But the Luxie 1010 is the smaller contour brush I like to use. And I'm just gonna go up closer to the ear here. A little bit there, a little bit there. Blend it out. You can see it really sticks to the areas that you have the cream contour to. And then I'm gonna take the Jeffree Star small contour brush and go along my nose.
A comeback king. He's a comeback king who keeps rising up.
Now I'm gonna take the Huda Beauty setting powder and just chisel out below my contour here. Snatched. Okay, next I'm gonna highlight with the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'm gonna use, okay, fired. I'm gonna use Summer here. In the usual spots. And take a smaller brush for the smaller areas. And then I'm gonna highlight like even more on top of my nose than usual. Okay, I'm gonna set my face with the MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm gonna let that dry, and then there's still a little bit of extra powder on my face, so I'm just gonna take and press that in with my damp beauty blender. So next I'm gonna do my lips. I'm going to use the MAC Pencil in Hover.
If this is your fetish, I'm done entertaining. Man, I'm so embarrassed.
I'm going to is On Mute by Anastasia Beverly Hills.
How you feel? Do you feel like a winner?
Now I'm putting Stripped in the center. Okay, so here is the finished look. I think I do look super, super snatched, chiseled out, definitely more than normal. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you next time. Love you. Bye. Check it out. I'm just wondering if the lighting here looks legit or not. I can't tell. I don't know. Am I bright enough? Can you see me? Why do I think I'm a vampire? I don't know. Whatever. Comment below if you want me to leave the crazy or edit it out. Edit yourself. Oh, what happened there? That is weird.